Hello YouTube, this is my review on the Boya BY-MM1 universal microphone. I picked this off of Amazon. I guess you could say it's an alternative to the popular Rode mic. So I'm gonna unbox this and do a few tests. So it's supposed to be compatible with your phone, laptop, and compact cameras and video recording cameras. Let's see, if you want to pause this, you can look at the specs. Okay, and let's unbox and see what comes inside the box. I got this for $50. Oh, sorry. I believe at the time I purchased it was $52 Canadian. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm recording this on the Canon M6 that I just got recently. Okay, instruction looks like a CD. Or no, no, cleaning cloth. Interesting. And instruction booklet inside. Not gonna really look at that. So this mount, on the review, a lot of people said this tend to break easily, so I'll be extra careful. I plan to mount. Actually, I bought an L-shape. What do I call it? An L-shape mount where you hold on the right, and yeah, when I get it I'll do a review on it, but as of right now I was thinking to just use the hot shoe now, because when I'm vlogging I won't be using a flash, or I've seen some do-it-yourself videos where they add some kind of Velcro on the left of the camera, so I don't know, I'll see what I'll do, but I don't think I'll be using this mount. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, it comes with the mount. Comes with the cable to connect. They have two. I'm assuming. Just checking the heads here. Okay, so this is a 2, if you can see that. A 2 ring to a 3 ring, and then you got a 2 ring, I believe. I'll test it out and let you know which one works with the Canon M6. But oh yeah, sorry, it says it's here. This one's for your smartphone. It's actually labeled. I didn't actually read it first. Yeah, so when you open it, I guess the one with the L shape here with the 2 and the 3 ring is for your smartphone, and I'm pretty sure this is for the camera, where it's a double 2 ring here, as you see. 2 comes with a little pouch, leather pouch, really nice, and the microphone itself. Feels. Oh. Okay, so it's got a little stretchy thing, I guess, so it holds it really nice. Don't want to wreck it, so I'll be extra careful. So yeah, I'll do a test after I show you. Let me know how what you think of the quality. I'm recording on 1080p at 24 frames a second. So it's labeled here. Yeah, so this right now is the internal from the Canon M6. So yeah, on the next part I'll label and let you know a comparison between internal again and with this plugged in, as well as another one with I guess the fluff. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, no, I'm thinking of doing an outside test as well when the weather's a bit nicer. Right now it's raining and it's dark out, so there's no point. But I'll wait till there's like a more windy day, or tomorrow morning if it's somewhat nice. I'll just go outside to see if there's really any difference with, let's say, car noise and traffic outside. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, this is without the microphone. This is the internal from the Canon M6. 1, 2, 3. Test. 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is testing 1, 2, 3 using the Boya mic right now. 1, 2, 3. I have it face to me. It's also in auto mode. I will try manual afterwards. 1, 2, 3. This is the Boya now plugged in with the manual settings put at 50%. I'm curious to see the difference between 50% and I'm going to try 75 as well. So, yep, this is 1, 2, 3, 50% manual. This is Boya still plugged in, now in manual at 75%. 1, 2, 3, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, this is I'm outside right now and the weather's looking really nice. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is with the Boya mic. I put on manual at 40%, I believe. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is with the internal mic. Let me know how that sounds. I'm just speaking regular voice. I'm not raising my voice. This is how I usually speak. Okay, so bear with me here. I'm recording this on my LG V30. But anyways, I have it plugged in. See if you go to here. Oops. Okay, so what I was saying is, if you talk to the mic, you should be able to see the contrast is really hard to see. Okay, maybe that's a bit better. See how the bar is going up? It's almost reaching to 12 or just a bit past. That's fine. But if, for example, I increase the sensitivity of the mic, you'll see that it'll pick up much more and it'll go past that 12 easily, even though I'm talking at the same volume. So once again, I'm going to reduce it. And then yeah, you'll see that it barely passes 12. So I find that in that case, the sensitivity is it takes more to pick up. So that way, when you're not talking, it won't pick up anything in the background, like for example my computer fan. I hope that that helps. In conclusion, I think this mic is worth purchasing. I can't tell you the comparison between this and a Rode mic, but I do notice a difference between the internal mic and the Boya. I just think each time I just gotta fiddle around and test adjust the manual settings of the sensitivity to get the right amount. Otherwise, I think it definitely makes a huge difference when I'm outside, especially if it's a windy day. Inside, depends on the environment, I guess. But yeah, hope you like my review. Leave any questions if you have, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. Have a great day.